I'm at the local farmer's market about a block from my house. I'm actually not looking for a lot. I'm looking for some local raw honey. Let's see what I can find. Oh, maybe some cabbage for my chow chow. All right, I'll be back. So this is a quick haul at the local farmer's market, which is on the edge of a very nice park. I made my quick little haul. Got some stuff to make chow chow, hopefully. And I am out of here. A lot of people have on masks, but some don't. And I'm got some medical stuff going on. I've got to go. I'll be back. This started out as a short video, but now Nana is at the local liquor store after church on Sunday trying to get some extract ingredients. All right, I shall return. Okay, everybody, I am back from the farmer's market. I only went to get some things for the balance of the things for my chow chow, which is about to go down, and I will be sharing my recipe. There's my happy little cart that I use to carry stuff from the back of the building up to my handicap apartment because the things are too heavy. All right, I'll be back.